Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I shall show you how to create a stunning handmade red flower using basic crochet techniques. Begin by sketching a vibrant red yarn for your flower. Choose a soft yarn that's easy to work with. Start with a slip knot and chain 6. This will form the center ring of your flower. Join the chain into a ring with a slip stitch, creating a loop to work into. Next, chain 3 to act as the first double crochet stitch. Work 11 double crochet stitches into the center ring. This forms the petals of your flower. Join the last double crochet to the top of the beginning chain 3 with a slip stitch. Round 1 is complete. You should now have 12 petals around the center ring. For round 2, start by chaining 1 single crochet in the same stitch as the chain 1. Chain 3, then single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around, chaining 3 between each single crochet stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet to complete round 2. Round 3 begins with chaining 1 single crochet in the first chain 3 space from the previous round. Round 4 starts with chaining 1 single crochet, crochet 5 and single crochet in each chain 5 space from the previous round. Repeat around and join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Round 6 starts with chaining 1 single crochet, chain 9 single crochet in each chain 7 space from the previous round. Happy crocheting. Feel free to attach it to hair clip and enjoy your gorgeous red flower creation. Thanks for watching this video.